Hi, we just created an article on a subject about which I do not know anything about. So before publishing this on my website, I want to ensure that the article is factually correct. We know that AI has an issue of hallucination. It writes things that are not true. It brings in evidences that do not exist. So I cannot publish something on medical science that is not right. So it is going to create a lot of issues if I suggest something to people who have this condition and that suggestion is not the right thing to do. So before publishing this on my website, I want to check it for facts, whether what the article says is true or if it is incorrect. So I can do that right here. I can select any paragraph and I can click on check facts. Or if I want, I can click multiple paragraphs. Let's create this portion and let's click on check facts. So what it is going to do is it is going to check whether all the facts that we have written in this portion are correct or incorrect. And if they are correct, then it is going to tell us why they are correct. It is going to give us references. And if they are incorrect, then also it is going to tell us why they are incorrect and it is going to give us some references. So let's wait for the results. And I could also have selected the whole article and clicked on check facts. But the longer the article, the longer it is going to take to check facts. So for demonstration, I have just selected three paragraphs. That is two subheadings and the uh, introduction text. Now let's see what it produces. So here are the results in the paragraphs that we have selected. It has found two facts. So the first fact was according to recent studies, approximately 15% of adults who experience voice problems have vocal cord polyps. And the result is this claim is not true. And here we can see the facts. So we do not have any supporting fact, but we do have one refuting fact. And it is giving us the link. We can click on this link and read the complete article. So now I know that this is not correct. And let's say almost 30% of the adult population will experience voice difficulties at some point in their life, either due to chronic or acute nature. Their voices will not perform or sound as they do, and this could impact their communication and work, as well as their overall quality of life. One, two reported symptoms may include this and this. So it does say that the people are going to suffer from voice problems, but they would not be due to this particular condition that the claim claims. So let's also search this term, in fact, this term right there. If the article says something explicitly about this, it does not. So we cannot for sure say that the claim is true or not. We have to do manual research on this claim. So I'm going to note this down and do my manual research. Meanwhile, let's try to search the next paragraph. So in fact, let's see this famous personalities who have. So here we are claiming something. We are claiming that these person had this disease. So let's try to check facts for these. Okay, so here, this is Adele, known for her powerhouse vocals. Adele faced the daunting task of dealing with vocal cord polyps in 2011. And here it says the claim is valid. And here is the evidence. So it has found four supporting articles and two refuting articles. So the supporting articles, what do they say? See, here it says that in 2001, she had to perform, she was hospitalized and had to perform microsurgery on her vocal cords to remove a polyp. And in the article, it also says that one way to treat this is by microsurgery on the vocal cords. So, this confirms our claim. And let's see the next news. What does that say? And it also confirms the fact that she had polyp in 2011. So yes, so this is right, the claim is valid, but just to be sure, just read this as well, why it believes that these are refuting. Okay, so it is saying that she suffered from vocal cord hemorrhage in 2011. So it is possible that both the diseases are related. So, but here these articles clearly say that she had polyps. So that's okay. We are going to go with that. Okay, so similarly, we can just click on evidence of the others and we can see that what they says, what are the supporting evidence, what is the refuting evidence, and we can use our own intellect to judge whether the claims are true or claims are false. So this ability to use a fact checker from within the editor is very powerful. So earlier, what we had to do is we have to read the whole article. We had to find what the claims, what the article is claiming. Every claim that article has, we had to list that, and then for each claim we had to search Google, we had to search Bing, we have to search everywhere, and we have to go through all the articles that are in the search result to see that whether the article writes anything that supports the claim or if it writes anything about that refutes the claim. So we do not have to do all that manually thanks to this feature right here in AutoWrite. We can simply select the whole article and we can do a check fact. And after we have established that all the facts, all the claims that this has found are valid or invalid, we can edit this right here. And after that, I would advise to read through the article just to make sure that fact checker has not missed anything and we are good to go. So thank you for watching.